Doncaster's 5-minute histories present Nature and Industry. This 5-minute history is a soundscape describing the changing landscape of Brodsworth Colliery, from its beginnings as a coal mine in the early 1900s up to the modern day. Listen out for the sounds of a thriving mining industry. Then notice as these sounds fade and the soundscape slowly reverts back to nature. What sounds in particular stand out to you when you're listening to the soundscape? Are there any sounds you recognise? Perhaps you like some of the sounds more than others. Perhaps there are some you don't like at all. Simply listen and take notice without judgment. If you visit the old site of Brodsworth Colliery today, now known as Brodsworth Community Woodland, it would be difficult to imagine that this scenic location was once a booming coal mine, employing over 4,000 people and producing many thousands of tons of coal. In fact, Brodsworth Colliery was known to many as the Queen's Pit because much of this coal supplied Buckingham Palace. Brodsworth Colliery closed in 1990 after nearly 90 years of mining, and this had a huge impact on the local community. For several years, the site remained contaminated and derelict until, in 2001, the site was transformed into a community woodland. Today, the site is picturesque woodland with open meadows and a wetland valley. It's home to an array of wildlife, including the skylark, the long-eared owl, and the kestrel. And if you visit in the summer, you're likely to see dragonflies and butterflies like the common blue, meadow brown, and peacock. If you're lucky enough to enjoy this green space, whether you're walking the dog, fishing, or horse riding, take a moment to look around and notice how coal mining has shaped this landscape. Try to imagine the noise, the smells, the dirt, and all those thousands of men, women, and children that worked at the colliery. Remember a time when coal was king.
We hope you've enjoyed this 5-minute history. Doncaster's 5-minute histories are brought to you by Heritage Doncaster as part of the History, Health and Happiness programme and is funded by Arts Council England. For more of Doncaster's 5-minute histories, visit heritagedoncaster.org.uk/happy history.